Okay, so hey you guys, this is my third time filming this, bro. And I'm tired of filming it. I'm tired of filming it, sis. I'm tired, sis. So today is going to be an unboxing of Boxycharm, period, my mom, period. But make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. Every single time, sis. It's free, so why not subscribe and hit the post notifications? Okay, sis. So like I said, I'm unboxing Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 box that contains makeup, skincare, hair care sometimes. That's basically hair care, makeup. Sometimes you get nail oils, which I haven't gotten yet, but I hope I don't get. Period. So we're gonna start with, we're gonna go order as this. Okay, sis? Okay, sis? Period. Let's turn this a notch. Just a notch, sis. I meant to put on some lashes, but I forgot. I meant to put them on right before I started this video. It was like these type of lashes, sis. I meant to put it on because I look bald. My eyelashes look bald, sis. So I'm about to just throw some on, okay? About to just throw some on. About to just throw some on, okay? I look a little bit better. Cause sis, let me tell you, sis, baby, mascara brings, I feel like mascara and the lip really brings out your makeup, baby. So if y'all want like a makeup tutorial on this look, even though like it's simple, but if y'all want one, comment down below and I will do one. But let's get back to this. So first thing is the Tarte BU natural eyeshadow palette, which is very natural. So it got it's packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 mattes, and this retails for $36. It is a clay formula. So this is similar to the one that we got either a couple months ago. So yeah, it's like I said, it's made of clay. It's like a clay formula. So this is that dark brown shade. This is one of the shimmer colors. It's one of the shimmer colors. But for overall, like I said, I feel like it's the same as the last palette, that Tarte palette that we got. To me, it's like the same. Tarte, you're not slick, sis. You're not slick, sis. You're not. Period. Next time, don't try to put 2 of the same items in different boxes. Period. And I said what I said. It's like, but this retails for $36, and this is like the packaging. So retails for both of these palettes retails for $36. And the next one is Touch and Soul No Problem primer. But yeah.
Hey, Zoda boy, you cooking up?
I used it once. It's a water-based type of primer. It's flower extract. It tightens the pore, keep your skin silky smooth, sis. If you want your skin silky smooth, get this. Period. Up close and personal. No problem. Primer essence. You want your skin silky smooth? Get this, and this retails for $23. Period. And next is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, and it retails for $17. It says it's lightweight. It says, what is it? Yep, lightweight, non-sticky, which is not sticky at all. So yeah, it's Dominique, and like I said, if I didn't say it, it retails for $17. And I got peach tea. And this is what the color looks like. It's like a pink color. It's more like, if you want this pink color, you gotta put like 2 layers on. Which I wouldn't go past 2 layers because it's kinda somewhat thick. So slim thick with your cute ass. It's like JK. I'll look back on this video like, this is so fucking cringe. Like I said, peach tea. They had strawberry lemonade. They had strawberry lemonade as the other color. The next is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, which I tried. I tried all these products. Let's just put that out there. I tried all these products.
Hey, Zoda boy, you cooking up?
Loved every single one of them, but this one. I like cleansers that suds up, and this obviously doesn't suds up because it's a cleansing cream. I wouldn't use this again. Is just that. And this retails for $25. It's for blemishes, banish, dull skin, makeup, hydrating dry skin, hydrating dry and sensitive skin. It has black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. So yeah, like I said, I used it once. Still a full tube. So just didn't like it, sis. Just didn't. And last but not least is the Dirty Little Secrets lip pencil, and it retails for $15. It's smooth, creamy. It's smooth and creamy, which I agree on. A lot of people got theirs and they said that theirs was dry, and this is what it looks like. So, and like for the size, for $15, it's pretty long for $15. Will I pay $15 for it? No. You could probably find, and the color is Rosy Posy. if y'all wanted to know. Rosy Posey. And then retails for $15. Like I said, I personally wouldn't pay $15 for this because you can find something way cheaper on Elf, Cosmetics, something like that. So, yeah. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. Every single time, sis. It's like I said at the beginning, it's free. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications, sis. Baby girl, it's free.